Hi, Masterkinders, and welcome back, fellow Zam Jammers. I've got some really exciting news for you. I've ordered the Lenovo Legion 5 from EveTech, and I'm going to be unboxing it for you in this video, giving you a review as well as my thoughts of the whole process. EveTech is no longer accepting walk-in purchases. You have to buy online. And so I did also, while doing that, get the insurance for delivery, just because I want to make sure that I get my goods, especially when I'm paying this much on a laptop. So without further ado, let's jump into this unboxing. I'm so excited.
I should thank Sheldon for this feature. Thanks, bro. I really appreciate it. And you're doing wonderful for the YouTube community. Keep it up, bro. And we're loving your videos, bro.
Wait, what am I doing again? Sorry, just remind me.
My channel is...
It is this one, and the Lenovo Legion 5 has the RTX 2060, this one that is. I did pay an extra 200 Rand to get an extra 8 gigs of RAM, making it 16 gigs of RAM in total. It also has a 256 gigabyte SSD solid state drive, so that I get that fast boot up time, which I'm really excited about. Also a terabyte hard drive, and yeah, the RTX 2060 is 6 gigs, so I'm really excited. EveTech also is currently marking down their prices considerably, so go over and take a look. I'll also put a link in the bio of this video, a link in the description of this video, and also it came with a bag, so I'm really excited to jump into this. Oh man, let me get something to open this with. Ooh, there's a gap actually. There we are. There's that Lenovo branding right there. Yeah, this is actually quite fun. Stress relief. Oh, look at this one. Look, I'm excited. Then actually, this took about a week to deliver, which is not too long. I did follow up. The first time they tried to deliver, I wasn't at home. I was still driving back from our CreateZA meetup in Poch on Monday morning. But after some following up, we got this beautiful baby. So let's see what this bag looks like. Honestly, this is a big bag. This is a whole bag. It's like actually a suitcase. Look at that. Look at that. Let me see what this looks like when I put it on. Oh, look at this fancy box. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Let's just show you quickly what this bag looks like when I put it on. So this is what the bag looks like. Feels so comfortable. Straps nicely. Oh man. Oh, I'm already happy. I think I'm just gonna keep this bag on. Okay. So, here we go. And it looks like the seal has not yet been broken, which is a good thing. Come on now. Yes. Yes. Come to me. Oof. I always break these boxes. Look at this. I never get the perfect one. It's just a skill I don't seem to have. But let me open it this way for you to see. Oh. So we've got some nice. Oh, it folds out. Oh, the stuff folds out. Okay, we're gonna have to remove this from the box. Let's do that. Oh my word, this thing has such a cool way of opening up. Let me just show you this again. Look here. So I just pull these, and then I guess that's the thing I'm supposed to be doing. And now this has come to the surface, and this is, oh, so light. And this is pretty much everything. So before I jump into this, let me just see if there are any other add-ons. Yes, indeed there are. So before we look at this laptop specifically, I'm I'm just going to show you what else is in the box. We've got a power supply, kettle cord, normal kettle cord. As you can see, nothing hectic. I'm pretty sure this connects to an adapter. Yes, it does. Here it is. Oh, that's a decent power supply. Let me show you how big this is. Yes, 230 watt charging power supply, and this obviously connects with, where does that kettle cord go? Yeah, so the kettle cord will go right in here. Oh, nice click to let you know that it's in, and there's your power supply. It's bigger than normal, but obviously this laptop's quite powerful, so it needs a good power supply. Okay, so with that being done and our little setup guide, nothing fancy in here. Stickers would have been cool, but I mean, I just like stickers, and I believe that is all. Okay, so now the moment we've all been waiting for, the actual laptop. Let's get this box out of here. Such a nice box. Yo, mooi man. Here we go. So, as we peel back the sleeve. Oh, look at that lovely matte finish. And can you see this Legion, how that's reflecting like that? Does it change in the light for you as well? It's pretty, hey? So, I see the humidity from my fingers stays on here, but it doesn't leave marks. So that's a good point. And it says Lenovo over there. This is, I'm assuming, the battery. And there it says Legion as well. We look at the ports over here. We've got an actual USB-C port. I believe that's USB-C. A LAN port. 2 USB ports. HDMI. I don't know what that is, honestly. I'll have to look it up. And these are cooling fans, I believe, to keep this beast nice and cool without overheating. And then we've got another USB over here. And the light to say that it's on. Cool beans. I believe this one came with Windows 10 on it. Okay. Oh, and here's another is the audio jack, and there's the other USB port over there. SS. So this is for charging, fast speed charging, I'm guessing. I am not 100% sure. Ooh, look, here's the inside. So you can please remove, okay, here's the webcam, and I'll remove that when I'm good and ready. It looks like there's a little light there as well. And we have a Ryzen 7 processor. Now I'm confused. AMD Radeon graphics, but also a GeForce RTX. I'm wondering if it's the inbuilt Radeon graphics, because obviously the RTX is a graphics card in and of itself. Oh, over here there are some lights telling us about auto, and is that overclock? I guess it might be overclocking. There's the power button. The audio is by Harman. I've never heard of them. Oh, look at the blue underlighting over there. Some blue tint white lighting under there. It's like a cold light. Look at this thing starting up. So that's lovely. I will give you the review of this baby. Once I've set it up, it's probably going to ask me to do all the Windows things right now. But just to end off this video, I want to show you how this thing fits in the bag. So let's look at this bag. By the way, there are specials on EveTech at the moment. So you can get a bag like this with your purchase. Go take a look. And EveTech, if you want an ambassador. Side pouch. 2 side pouches. That's cool. So you got the front side pouch and the 2 side pouches, and then actually the main zip, which I'm currently trying to locate somewhere around here. Okay, so this thing opens all the way from the bottom, as you can see, all the way from the bottom like that. So then the bag literally opens up like that. It's got these lips to hold it from opening all the way. But look how lovely it is inside there. I feel like my laptop will be safe. And I think I would rather put my laptop in this little pouch inside here. The amount of compartments in here are amazing. So put the laptop in there, we close it up, strap it up, and just look inside here. You can see there are also so many pouches inside, another zip. So you can also see what's inside of here. And then more pouches for days. And then, yeah man, I will just put this power supply right in here. And just pretend that's fine. I'll neaten it up later, but now I just want to wear this bag for you with the laptop inside and show you how much space there is still inside this bag. I don't even think it's fair to call it a laptop bag because it is so huge and it is so much more than just a laptop bag, but also not so inundating or incapacitating. This thing is quite snug and nifty. I wouldn't feel like I'm walking around with a mountain on my back. Beautiful. And that weight is chilled. I'll probably be traveling and working with this laptop a lot. So this is going to come in handy. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure doing business with you. I can't wait to set this laptop up. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Until next time, cheers, Master Gunners.